Bon matin, les amis. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our very first assembly of the school year. Looks a little different this year, and that's okay. We get to still celebrate together. For those of you who are new to our school, my name is Madame Littlefair, and I am the principal of A.E. Bowers Elementary School.
Hello, and I am Jessie Cardinal, and I'm the assistant principal. Some of you I've seen, usually my mask is covering half my face. I am so excited to meet all of you.
Yes, we all are, and to celebrate a brand new school year together.
I'm trying to get sound.
At this time, oh, Madame Gagne, I hear that your mic is on. I'll just have you muted if that's okay with you. Thank you so much. All right, boys and girls and teachers, let's talk about what this year, sorry, I'll just be a second here. Here we are. I'll just share with you what assemblies are for. Assemblies are to celebrate things, assemblies are to commemorate things, and we'll have assemblies at various times throughout the school year. Each of our assemblies might look a little different. This assembly is very much music and movement based, and other assemblies will have a different flavor as well. This assembly is our September assembly that we call Theme Song Thursday. Typically, it takes place near the end of the month, and we're going to do it a little bit earlier this year for very good reason. We have a lot of other fun things going on as well, and our next Thursday will be our last Thursday of the month, and we have other things going on that day too. So we're having our Theme Song Thursday celebration. And today, for the month of September, Theme Song Thursday has a very, very special place in all of our hearts here at A.E. Bowers because Mrs. McCaffrey, our music teacher, selects a very special song every month that she bases movement and rhythm and beat upon every month, and they always have a pretty special meaning behind them. And so what could be more special than the Theme Song Thursday, that the original Theme Song Thursday song that kicked off this amazing tradition 16 years ago when Mrs. McCaffrey first arrived at A.E. Bowers. And so before we do that, that's just a little tidbit. Before we do that, we're going to start our assembly like we do, like we typically end our assemblies. We're going to start by happy birthday, our happy birthdays to all of our students in the month of September. And so if you have a birthday, if you're a staff member, if you're a student out there, and if you have a birthday in the month of September, can you feel free to stand up right now? Go ahead, we'll wait. Stand up. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
And then again in French. En français, tout le monde.
Bonne fête à toi. Bonne fête à toi. Bonne fête, bonne fête, bonne fête à toi.
And so happy birthday, boys and girls, happy birthday, team members, for the month of September. We hope you have a wonderful, wonderful month. And between now and the end of September, Madame Cardinal and I will be walking around to each class, and you'll see us with our masks on, and you'll see us with nice, clean hands, and we'll be passing out your birthday pencils. Okay, you have a wonderful day, everyone. And now let's get to the meat of today's assembly. Are you ready to put your groove on, people? Are you ready to rock and roll with Mrs. McCaffrey, Mr. Kroll, and Mr. Rennebaum? It's time to start dancing. Are you ready? All right, let's see.
We're going to take you back in time to 1977 when the Bee Gees' hit song Stayin' Alive was a top hit from the movie Saturday Night Fever. We made a parody and we called it
A.E. Bowers, Feel the Power.
Boys and girls, you don't know this, but yesterday when we filmed that video, there's a little story behind that video. Mrs. McCaffrey wrote that song 16 years ago with the first principal of A.E. Bowers Elementary School. And yesterday, while she was performing it with Mr. Rennebaum and Mr. Kroll, the music went out and she continued to sing it for everybody. And you saw she was 100% on point. It's ingrained into her soul, people. It was pretty awesome. Boys and girls, it is now 8:30. Our theme song Thursday, our very first assembly of the 2020-21 school year at Terminé is all finished. Boys and girls, we hope you have a wonderful day. Be safe, be kind, and have a fantastic Thursday with music in your soul.
Au revoir.